Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Pratham's Fun Learning. Thank you for liking my videos. If you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button so that you never miss another video. In this video, I am going to talk about matter. What is matter? Matter is the stuff that makes up all the things around us, such as this table, this chair, my clothes, this comb, and paper. Even our body is made of matter. So, what is matter? Yes, matter is anything that has weight and takes up space. What is weight? Yes, weight is a kind of measurement that tells you how heavy something is. Like when we visit our doctor, the first thing they ask us to stand on the scale so that they know your weight. Talking about space, all matters need some area, such as when you fill a glass of water, the water occupies the area of the glass. So we can say everything in the world is made up of matter. Do you know that all matter, everything in this world is made up of the teeny tiny bits called atoms? Atoms are too small to see from our eyes. How small do you think they are? Think about this. Millions of atoms could fit on a period at the end of a sentence. That's how small atoms are. Let's talk some facts about atoms. Atoms are microscopic and cannot see them without a strong microscope. The center of an atom is called the nucleus. The nucleus has 3 particles in it: the proton, the neutron, and the electron. The electron is the only particle that lives on the outside of the nucleus. It orbits around the proton and the neutron. This was a short video about matter. In the next video, I will talk about the states of matter and some other details. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please subscribe for more videos. Bye. Thank you.